Solve this numerical. Locate the center of shaded area obtained by removing a semicircle of diameter A. So for this semicircle that A is given, so that will be the diameter. This A is diameter from quadrant of a circle of radius A. So for this quadrant of circle, this A will be the radius. Okay, A will be the radius. So already x and y axis are given like this. This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, so we know the formula for centroid, for semicircle as well as for quarter circle. So using this formula we can make a table like this. So figure number 1, okay, we can name it at this figure number 1, so that will be quadrant circle, quarter of circle, and this is figure number 2, so that will be semicircle of radius a by 2. For semicircle, radius will become a, diameter is given, so radius will be a by 2. Okay, so x bar for the quadrant of circle, so that will be 4a divided by 3 pi. Y bar will also be 4a divided by 3 pi. Then area, so that will be pi square by 4. Then for semicircle, so x will be equal to a by 2. This circle is placed like this, so a by 2. I have already explained this in the theory lecture for the centroid. Then y bar will be this, so that distance will be, now actual formula is 4r divided by 3 pi. Now here r will be equal to a by 2 or 0.5a, so that will be 4 times 0.5a divided by 3 times pi. And area, so that will, for half semicircle, area will be pi r square by 2, but here r is equal to 0.5a, so that will be pi into a divided by 8, so pi square by 8. Okay, so area, actual formula for the area of quadrant of circle is for semicircle, so that will be pi r square divided by 2. Now here r is a by 2, so that will be pi a square by 4, a by 2, so a square by 4 divided by 2, so that will be a square by 8, so that here pi square by 8. Okay, then using the formula, so that will be x is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2, minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus a2. Now here area of this semicircle is taken as negative because here is no shaded area. Okay, here is no shaded area. Shaded area is for this quadrant of circle only. So a1 will be positive, this area will be taken as positive, whereas this area will be taken as negative. A2 will be taken as negative area minus a2. Okay, so using this formula we'll get the solve like this. Okay, so putting the value of all the variables, so x can be written as, so a1, so that will be pi by 4 times a square into value of x1, so that will be 4a divided by 3 times pi minus value of a2, so that will be pi a square by 8, value of x, so that will be a by 2. Okay, whole divided by a1 minus a2, so that will be pi by 4 times a square minus pi by 8 times a square. Okay, so again solving this, so here 4 will get cancel, pi will get cancelled, so we get a cube divided by 3 minus, so here that will be pi a cube by 16. Okay, so we can write here pi a cube by 16, okay, whole divided by, so again here we can write, so that will be 4 pi a square divided by 32. Okay, so that will be pi a square by 8. Okay, pi square by 8. So again solving this, we can write it as, here a can be taken as common, So a cube into bracket 1 by 3 minus pi by 16 divided by, so here again a square into bracket pi by 8. Okay, so again a square and this a cube will get cancelled and we get equation as a into bracket 1 by 3 minus pi by 16 whole divided by pi by 8. Okay, so solving this equation you will get value of xc. Okay, value of x or xc is equal to 0.349 times a. Okay, 0.349 times a. Then using this formula we are going to solve like this. Okay, then putting the values in the formula for y or yc as, so that will be a1 y1, so that will be pi a square by 4 into, so a1 into y1, so that will be 4a divided by 3 times pi minus a2, so that will be pi a square by 8 into y2, so that will be 2a divided by 3 pi. Okay, so 0.5 into 4, so that will be 2a divided by 3 pi. Okay, and whole divided by, so that will be a1 minus a2, so that will be pi a square by 4 minus pi a square by 8. Okay, so again solving this, so we will get for yc, so that will be, so here again 4 will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled, so you get a cube by 3 minus, so here pi will get cancelled. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, so that will be again pi will get cancelled, so that will be a cube divided by 12 whole divided by, so similar for the x, so here we will get, that will be 4 pi square by 12. Okay, 4 pi square by 8, or that will be pi square by 8. Okay, so again by solving this we will get value of yc equal to 2a divided by pi, or that will be 0.636 times a. Okay, 0.636 times a.